date stamps, you know? Date stamps for the drywall?
No.
We gotta get the drywall tested.
Oh, really?
Yeah, or they won't let us. We can't drop it anywhere.
What kind of date do they
It has to be after the year 1986 or 85. So it doesn't have asbestos, but if you can't find it, then it's $100 to get it tested.
Oh no, this doesn't have asbestos.
How do you prove it? How do you prove it?
Do we need to find the stamp on the?
Either
on the
either you find the stamp, or you get it tested, right? And then the paperwork says there's no asbestos. Because when we go to the landfill where we dump it, the guy comes in a suit like this. They show me your paperwork. If you drop this, they fine me $10,000.
Okay. So where does the stamp goes? Because there is some drywall here.
Is it the same drywall?
Yeah.